In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide games on Steam Desktop. If your library is feeling cluttered or you just want a little privacy around certain titles, hiding a game is a quick way to clean things up without uninstalling or losing progress. Start by launching the Steam Desktop app on your computer and make sure you're on the home screen. At the top of the window, click Library. This is where Steam lists everything tied to your account, including installed and uninstalled games, so you can manage them all from one place. Next, find the game you want to hide. You can scroll through your collection or use the search bar to jump straight to the title. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct game, especially if you own similar editions or bundles, since the action applies to the exact item you choose. Once you've located it, right-click the game's name. This opens a context menu with management options specific to that title. Move your cursor over Manage to reveal the submenu. In that submenu, click Hide this game. Steam will immediately remove the game from your standard library views, keeping your main list tidy. A few notes to set expectations. Hiding a game does not uninstall it, erase your save data, or affect achievements and playtime. It simply tucks the title out of sight in your default views. If you ever want to launch it again or change its status, you can still access it. To find hidden games later, open your library and adjust the filter to show hidden, or use the view menu to reveal your hidden games listing. From there, you can right-click the title and reverse the change to make it visible again. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to Library, pick your game, right-click, hover over Manage, and choose Hide this game. It's a simple, reversible way to keep your library organized and focused on what you want to see.